Up next, we're going to talk about the next
Our snowblower is broken. Our snowblower broke. Just in time. We're such losers.
Didn't it break too? Not last winter, but the winter before.
Yo, you so cute. So serious. See it? It's a big pine tree that went backwards, but just hoping we don't lose one of those guys. Okay. Maybe we'll do some finger painting. That was outside. Yeah. They have requested assistance, and
Get in there, woman.
I'm going out, and then we can watch them come. He likes that idea. Don't want to get any ice dams again.
For a couple of days. So there it is today, looking 2 to 4 inches of snow, and then by tonight 12 to 18 inches and even more tomorrow. Julie?
All right, thank you, Kim. Well, this just in as well. The New York Fire Department adding extra ambulances to deal with Nemo overnight. In addition to about 1,700 snowplows from the Streets and Sanitation Department. Well, there are definitely two sides to a winter storm, and that is Orko coming up next. We're going to talk about the next.
Our snowblower is broken.
Going to sleep may be easy.
What are you doing, Daniel?
In the middle of the night, it can
What's
be
Daniel
frustrating.
doing?
It's hard to turn off and go back to sleep.
Let's see. He's got his iPad and he's making shapes. Good job, Green.
When you can't get back to sleep. It's an effective sleep medicine you don't take before bedtime. Take it in bed only when you need it and have at least 4 hours left.
Those are working hands over there.
Do not take intermezzo if you have had an allergic.
There's Theo doing the cat dance. The Nemo snowstorm dance.
Oh, go ahead.
How bored are we? You know what? It's snowing. Oh!
Look at the tree that fell.
Look at the snow on the tree that's going to fall.
Oh my God.
Look farther east, today's forecast that I made yesterday.
Look at outside.
And Louisiana.
Our snowblower broke. Just in time. We're such losers.
Didn't it break too? Not last winter, but the winter before.
Yeah.
When there was that 2 feet of snow.
It's getting kind of over. What are you doing? Hi. What are you doing? Huh? You happy? That's Tinker.
Come here, boy. Come here. Let me pick you up.
Hi, Tinker.
Look at the camera, Pee-Pee.
Hi,
Ring, 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 ring.
Kika.
He's like, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. Put me down, put me down.
Our experts will pinpoint where the winds will gust up to
Yo, you so cute. Oh, the boredom is really setting in. It's only 4:30, and yeah, I've been sitting here for hours. There's Daniel. He's playing with this. This is iTykes piano, and it actually works with the iPad, but you have to download the app, and it's a little complicated for him. So he just enjoys playing the music. Nice music, Daniel. Right? You playing nice music? So serious. Good job. How about these both hands? Both hands. And then, of course, we're watching the Weather Channel. Oh, Nemo, Storm Nemo, blah, 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 got snow.
So let's time this out for Boston, and let's get them the
They keep talking about Boston. They're going to get a little bit of snow. This is what's going on in our yard. Let's see. Snow, snow, snow. Look familiar? Snow, more snow. And, oh, I have to clean this window. Yuck. What a dirty house. Snow, snow. And it hasn't really started yet, according to the people on the news. So I think we're going to have a lot more to deal with. And yeah, so back there's the tree that we lost during Hurricane Sandy. You can't really see it. It's a big pine tree that went backwards, but just hoping we don't lose one of those guys. Here's the mess in my house. Here's Daniel. Look at him. He's just so excited. Daniel, you're working so hard.
And we're probably pretty close to that along the coast in some areas.
It is getting close.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you making music? I think he's kind of getting a little violent with it. We're going to take a little break now. Let's take a little break from music, okay? Maybe we'll do some finger painting. We'll make some finger painting. Good morning. Hi. Happy boy. Happy legs. You know what's outside? Let's see if I can find out what's outside. Just look out Dan's window. Ew. So much snow. From Nemo the storm. So much snow. Look at it all. I'm glad you think it's funny. I am. I think it stinks. Okay, so I'm ready. I'm going out there to help. Sarah has a job to do. I won't show you.
It looks like I'm not wearing pants.
Oh, sorry. She's not wearing pants. Okay,
I
so
am wearing pants, but they're like short.
we got a cajillion inches of snow last night. See? The boys are out there working. And they're looking pretty tired. So they have requested assistance. And
Get in there, woman.
I'm going out.
Talk it like snow.
Look how windy it is. Holy crap. There's the boys. Yeah, Julie against the world. Julie against the snowstorm. Here I go. I don't want to go out. This is a pile of old stale bread. And it's going outside to see if our deer friends want to eat it. Or the birds. How do you think about that, Daniel? Huh? What are you trying to do? Get your slippers off again? Huh? Mommy's going to go outside with the bread. You're going to feed it to the deer. Right? And then we can watch them come. He likes that idea. All right. Here I go, Dan. Okay, we're going. It's going to look a little weird because I got to open and close the door. Woo! I am outside. Hopefully I don't fall because I'm wearing slippers. And they are called slippers, which means you slip in them. Here's the snow. Big old snow in our backyard. 35 Bennetts Bridge Road. Yep. Good old country living. Look at that tree up there. This is what it looks like. It's a thrill a minute. The only problem is we have drip, drip, drip happening on there. We just don't want to get any ice dams again. It'll be 2011 all over again. Anyhow, I can't step down in that. I'm going to sink. What am I going to do? I just have to leave it as close as I can. There are deer tracks. There they are. They go over to there. Poor guys. They got to sink in the snow. Maybe they'll see me coming out here with some food. Okay, that's enough for now. Yippee doodle.